All right, today I have a Maserati and I'm going to show you how to operate the windshield wipers on this Maserati as well as the windshield washer on this Maserati. I'm going to do it for the front window as well as, which is also called the windshield, and the rear window. I'm going to show you how to operate the wipers and washers on both of those. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. I'm inside of my Maserati. In order to adjust and operate the windshield wipers and washer, what I'll do is I'll look through the steering wheel and you'll see that there is this lever. This lever right here is for controlling the windshield wipers, windshield washer, and the back rear window washer and wiper. What I'll do with this, if you look at it, there are some buttons, right? You have the mist. Okay, I'll go over the mist first. So say for instance, you get mist on your windshield, right? You mist on your windshield, you just simply raise this lever like that. You see, I raised it and I released it. So it just wiped once. So if you get some mist on your windshield, you can wipe it off with one swipe by simply raising this up. Now, you can also do the same thing for the rear window. Get a mist or a little bit of something on your rear window. You take this lever and then you press it downwards. And when I press it downwards, it does the exact same thing. You see that? It goes on. When I release it, it goes off. So that is the mist function, okay? Next, I'm going to go and show you the auto function, okay? So if you look right here, there is a 0 or an O. That's indicative that it is off as long as this line is lined up with that. You see that? It is currently in the off position. So the windshield wipers are off. Now to turn it on automatic low, now automatic low is when it detects some water on the windshield, it'll automatically wipe. And there's a low setting for that and there's a high setting. To get to the low setting, I just take this knob, turn it until that line lines up with the auto and the one droplet. Now, if I want automatic high setting, which takes the windshield wipers high, I'm going to take it and move it so this notch is lined up with the A and 2 drops right there. Now, it automatically detects when it needs to be wiping, and it will stop when there is nothing left to wipe, okay? So that's the automatic setting for the front windshield. See, I'll show you. Now I'm going to show you the manual. So say for instance, you want manual control. You'll take this notch right here, make sure it lines up with the first bar right there. And that is indicative that is on the low setting. You can see on the windshield that it is wiping. Now, if I want it for the high, I will take this same lever and I'll go and make sure that it lines up with the top one. Now that is the windshield on high. Now when I want to turn all of this off, I can either set it to automatic and it'll shut off when there's no water detected, or I can go all the way down right here and put it to the 0, which makes the windshield wipers off. Now to control the rear window, you see there's an icon right here, but there's also a button on the side. I'll show you right here. So this button right here controls the rear window wiper. And if I press this in, release it, the rear window wiper is on right there, okay? It's on. Now to turn it off, I simply come back here to the button and I press it again and the rear window wiper is off, all right? Now that is how you operate the windshield wiper controls on this Maserati. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.